everyone, this is the 13th video of Database Management Systems video series. So today we are going to discuss question set 13. In my last two videos we discussed a scenario and we drew some tables for that scenario. So today we are going to continue that database by adding new tables to it. We'll see. This is the scenario which we discussed in question set 11 and 12, and we are going to talk about this thing in this video also. We'll see the scenario again. Bill books record the day-to-day business of Next mobile store. Because of this, the shop owner has to calculate the daily income and expenses at the end of the day. This action made him very uncomfortable. The shop owner decides to use computer software to make the task easier. The shop owner has requested the creation of a computer software to a software development company called Tilinagayatra Soft. To create the computer software for this purpose, you are a senior software engineer in this company. You and your team are tasked with developing the software database. The software must have these requirements. The store employs 5 people. All employees should be able to use this software. Customers should be able to register, must be able to register suppliers, should be able to review billing details provided by the suppliers, must be able to review details of bills issued, must be able to include details of items sold in the store, create a database called Next Mobile DB. So in question set 11 video, we created the database Next Mobile DB and also we created user table. Then in question set 12 video, we created customer table and supplier table. So in question 13, we'll see what we should do. Here they have said the store owner says that the details of all the products sold in this store needs to be stored in computer software. To do this, create a table called product to store product details. Follow instructions below to create a table. So here we have to create product table. So in MySQL Workbench software, we created the user table, customer table and supplier table. Now we'll create product table. Okay, we'll rename it as product. Okay, product ID is a primary key and auto increment. Product ID. Then product code, product name. So this is the product table. Next, they have said the owner of the shop says that he wants to enter the information of all the bills paid by the suppliers into the computer software. To do this, create a table named GRN. Follow the instructions given when creating. So we'll create GRN table now. For that, first we need GRN ID. It's a primary key and also we have to auto increment. We'll create a new table. GRN. GRN ID auto increment. Next, we have date, data type is also date, date. Next, quantity int, data type is int. Then unit price double, total amount also double. Unit price double. For prices we use double data type, because for double data type we can keep decimal places. So for prices we keep double, and quantity we keep int data type, which is integer. And for date we keep date, and for grn id we keep integer data type. Next, they have said this software should be able to retrieve the number of items received from suppliers, and the number of items provided by the suppliers should not change when selling the product. Your team suggests creating a separate stock table for this issue. Follow the instructions below to create a stock table. Okay, now we'll create stock table. We'll take a new table and rename it as stock. Then we have stock ID. It's a primary key and auto increment. Then quantity, selling price. For quantity, data type is integer. And for selling price, data type is double. So this is the stock table. Okay, so this is question set 13. In my next video, question set 14 will add new tables to this database. This is the end of my video. Thank you.